First, open a Illustrator and take any text like you want. Now we have to go to the text option. I just go to the preview and embrace option, and I'll make some change here. You can change it in a way. Let's make it creative. You don't have to do what I do. You can change it in a way. It's increase your intelligence and creative skills. Now it's finished. Now I have to go to the insert option. I'll make some change here. After finishing that, I have to go the gradient overlay option. Here it comes, the gradient overlay option. Also make some change here. I'll add some black color, and I will change the gradient to diamond shape and just create the angle 0 degree. Now I have to make the adjustment. You can choose your adjustment in your way. That's complete. Now I have to do the gradient to add some color, make the design realistic, the real feel. Design is color. You can choose any color you want. It's not a big deal. You have to choose my color. Now let's try to make something creative for you. Always see my video to learn something new. Now I will add some noise on this text. It's finished. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like.